Hi guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. So in today's video I am cleaning my bedroom. It's actually, well, you guys have seen me in this room, but you haven't really seen the rest of this room as I'm about to let you in. But I also have two mini DIYs that I'm going to be doing. First of all, I just want to give a fresh look on my kist. Just throw in some paint, change the fabric, and just leave it at that, because at the end of the day I am going to get rid of it once I move rooms. And the other thing is I just want to give my chest of drawers a refresh on the wood top. So yeah guys, let's just get right into it, and I do hope you enjoy this video. Do not forget to smash the like button. So moving on, you guys, I am cleaning my chest of drawers, but first I wanted to show you guys that it was quite dirty. It had lots and lots of dust, and yeah, but anyways, this chest of drawers, it is a custom piece. I got it made about 2 years ago. Initially I actually liked a design from Pinterest for my side tables, and then I found a guy working with this tin ceiling thing, and I drew up a sketch and asked him if he could give me a quote on how to, just to make a chest of drawers for me, and it was quite affordable, so I just went with it. And I do love the design, but I also want to refinish this totally, like, just sand it down and get it painted again, but that's gonna be a DIY for another day, maybe when I finally do my bedroom makeover. We will see. But this is now before I decided I wanted to refinish this wood on top. First I cleaned it out because I hadn't decided on that, and after cleaning it up, and I just felt like it just needed that oomph again, the wood, and it was quite dull. So yeah, that's why I decided to refinish it again. But you guys will see the products that I used. So here you guys, I am using this wood oak gel stain. You have seen me use this one on so many of my wood projects, and I do love it because it doesn't give me any, you know, just this orange hues on it. It doesn't have that, and that's the reason why I love it. But yeah, and another thing that I used was the sealer was also by wood oak, and I do love it because it is matte. I do not like it when my furniture has got like too much shine, especially on wood. So this one, I like the fact that it's matte. So moving on to the second DIY, I have this kist that I have been meaning to give some life as well. So here you can see I am using 120 grit sandpaper, and I just lightly sanded it just so my new paint can have something to grip onto, and I just painted it white, and that was it. And then I also used fabric on the seat, new fabric. I just added new fabric. I didn't even take out the old one because it wasn't really that old, or I was just tired of the look. That's all it was. So I just covered on top of the old fabric. So that was just it. So moving on, you guys, I'm getting ready to cover my set, and I recently got myself a stapler, and this is the first project that I really get to, you know, get the feel of it, and it's got a nice grip. It's quite comfortable on my hands. I know it's still quite a small project to give such a review, but I did love how it feels on the hands, especially with the grip. And yeah, that's all I can say. It's also inexpensive, you guys. I got this one, the heavy duty one, for like less than 350 rands. So grab yourself one if you are looking into buying a stapler. that is it, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching up until this far. If you haven't done so, please do smash the like button, and also please do consider to subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.